Richard here. I'm trying to test this 2001 Outback amplifier and see if it works. The symptom is only the rear speaker are working and the front speakers are not working. So I have this nagging problem whether I have to buy a new amplifier or fix the wiring to the speaker. So I have to test this and verify, and I'll show you a quick test. This is the pin diagram of the amplifier, and you can see there on top pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and at the bottom 7, 8, 9 up to 14. And I got the radio on already, and I can make it louder. You can hear that's coming from the back, but right on the front there it doesn't work. Okay, so what I will do is, if you look at this pin again and I go to the actual connector, it shows here. So since speaker on the front left of the driver's side doesn't work, I put a hairpin or sewing pin on the positive wire, which is white, and also on the negative wire at the bottom, which is also actually it's a white black with a black stripe. So if you look at it, I put it on pin 3 and pin 9, whereas pin 3 is the positive, as shown on the black and white, which is speaker front left plus, which is the positive wire, and then pin 9, which is the negative wire. So what I did is, if I put a jumper wire to the speaker and I want to test if my front speakers are working, I'm gonna hook up the positive and then the negative. So you can hear it's working. So this tells me that the amplifier itself is working, but the wiring going to that wire, to that speaker, is buggered up. So worst comes to worst, it's just a matter of running my own wire going to that speaker, and this problem should be solved. Unfortunately, I have two door speakers that are not working, and both of them at the front, but I think I have an idea. I'm gonna get them probably underneath the dust and hook it from there directly from this connector that I rig up. Okay, thanks very much. Hope you like it.